Nature of carbon halogen bond. What is the nature of carbon halogen bond? जो halogen atoms होते हैं, they are more electronegative than carbon. What is the meaning of more electronegative? Means they have a tendency to attract the bonded electron towards themselves. जब कार्बन और हेलोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहा है, in that case the electrons are more attracted towards the halogen atom, as the halogen atom is more electronegative than carbon atom. As a result, halogen atom develops a partial negative charge, carbon develops a partial positive charge. So it can be said that this carbon halogen bond is polarized. Polarized means it has two poles. One is the positive pole, another one is the negative pole. So it is acting as a dipole. Now the electronegativity of fluorine is highest, and then chlorine, then bromine, and then iodine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element, iodine is the least electronegative element, and the variation in size is fluorine is the smallest one, then chlorine, then bromine, and then iodine. So fluorine is the smallest and iodine atom is the largest. So in this direction size increases, in this direction electronegativity increases. Now what is the effect of the size of the halogen atom? As the size of the halogen atom increases, the carbon halogen bond length also increases. Means carbon fluorine bond length is smaller than carbon chlorine bond length, which is smaller than carbon bromine bond length, and the bond length of carbon and iodine is the maximum. So in this direction the bond length increases. The carbon halogen bond length increases from carbon fluorine bond to carbon iodine bond. Here in this table it is given bond length is increasing in this direction from fluorine to iodine. Bond enthalpy decreasing in this direction, means when bond length is more, distance between carbon and iodine is more, bond is weak, the energy required to break the bond is less. Whereas in case of carbon fluorine bond, the bond length is small and energy required to break the bond is more. And as can be seen from the table, the dipole moment of carbon and chlorine bond is the highest. Dipole moment is equal to charge into separation between the charges. So going down from fluorine to iodine, the bond length increases, means this distance between charges increases. But the electronegativity of the halogen atom decreases from fluorine to iodine. So the value of Q decreases. So taking into consideration both the values, that is the charge and the distance between the charges, the dipole moment of carbon chlorine bond is maximum.